passive income ideas for 2019 and beyond, and I'm talking about passive income where you have to do zero work whatsoever. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in today's video I will reveal my top 3 methods for passive income online. And with these methods you don't have to do any work whatsoever or very little work. So if you're gonna check all the other videos on making money online with passive income on YouTube right here, you'll see a bunch of different methods, but most of them require a lot of work. So people will tell you to start a YouTube channel or open an eCom store or do blogging or a bunch of different things that takes weeks, if not months, sometimes years of work to set up. So in the end, obviously, if you're gonna have a popular blog or a big YouTube channel, you will make passive income, but it takes a lot of work. And my top 3 methods will, first of all, start you instantly, and second of all, they don't require too much work. Okay, so before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10, please like this video right now, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave a comment with your PayPal email so I actually know where to send the money to, and I will reveal the winner from the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The number 1 link will take you to my top recommendation for making money online, and it will make you hundreds of dollars. My number 2 recommendation is actually a free opt-in where you can go ahead and see how you can make $80 in 5 minutes by copying and pasting something very easy. And my 3rd recommendation is a free course that you can grab for free, but I'm actually selling it for $17. So check out all the rest of the links as well. And right now let's jump into the content of this video, passive income ideas. So let me just share my screen with you right here. Okay, so the number 1 passive income idea is promoting ClickBank offers with a recurring option. So you will be an affiliate, but you essentially gonna have to sell the recurring offer once, and you will be paid month after month after month. So let me just show you my screen here. Obviously gonna have to open an account on clickbank.com, then you're gonna have to log in. You're gonna go to the affiliate marketplace. They have tons of different offers in a number of different niches, so obviously you're gonna pick your niche. So let's go with let's say business and investing, and we're gonna do an advanced search. So just click right here. Obviously you can enter keywords and all that good stuff, and we're gonna go with recurring. So you see these 2 little blue arrows. Just click, just tick it right here, do the search, and it will bring up all the offers with different recurring options. So if you're gonna be browsing any affiliate offers on ClickBank, if you see this green this blue 2 arrows that says recurring billing, this has a recurring billing, which means that if you are going to make the sale, you are getting paid month after month after month until the person will cancel. So to make a recurring sale, it takes the same amount of effort. So instead of being paid just once, you will be paid month after month. So just go ahead and check out. You see this pays $35 on recurring per month. This one pays $46. So just imagine you're gonna make 10 sales per month with recurring. This will be $350 per month. And obviously you have a ton of different options here. Some much more expensive, $263, $150, $196. So just pick the best offer for the niche that you want to promote, and you will be making a ton of money in recurring. And remember, you just have to make the sale once, and you'll be making money literally forever if the person will not cancel. Okay, so this is number 1, promoting ClickBank offers with a recurring option. So that's passive income idea number 1. Very easy. Number 2, promote hosting or autoresponders that pay affiliates monthly commissions. So a ton of hosting companies or autoresponder companies will pay you a commission once if someone signs up through your link. So essentially you're doing affiliate marketing again, but you have to pick the right hosting or autoresponder that essentially will pay you month after month in recurring commissions. Okay, so let me show you exactly a few ideas of companies that actually do that. Okay, so when it comes to hosting, it's Liquid Web. Go to liquidweb.com. They have different products, different solutions, so you can go through all of it, but they are the hosting company that will actually pay you month after month after month if you are going to get them a client. So they have managed hosting, managed applications, custom solutions, a ton of different options here. You can get a dedicated server for $200 a month, a cloud VPS for $50 a month, dedicated cloud $159, and obviously you're going to be paid a portion of that. So whatever the person you refer will buy, you will get a portion of that in recurring billing, so month after month after month. So liquidweb.com, this is one hosting idea. Another one is cloudways.com, and this is another hosting company, your managed cloud hosting platform. Obviously they have a ton of different options as well. You can check their site. When you're going to go to pricing right here, it goes as low as $10 a month or $22 per month. You can pay the person that will be paying can pay up to $80 per month, and obviously the higher priced package that they will pick, the more money you will make in recurring commissions and passive income. Okay, so cloudways.com, this is the second hosting option. And when it comes to autoresponders, I recommend you check out Aweber. When you're going to go to pricing, it starts at $19 per month, and the bigger the list, the more money the person will pay. From 10,000 to 25,000, people will pay $150 per month. I'm actually paying almost $300 per month. So I used someone else's link, and they are probably making at least like $50 to $100 per month for that. So Aweber is a great option, and it's a great autoresponder. And another one is GetResponse. These are the pricing options, as you can see, anywhere from $15 a month to $1,200 per month for enterprise, for big lists like 100,000 plus. So all you have to do is sign up someone through your link, and you will be paid a portion of whatever this person is paying per month. And as you can see, out of $1,000, you'll probably get a very nice percentage. Okay, so Aweber and GetResponse, these are the two autoresponders that I recommend you get on if you want to get some monthly affiliate commissions and recurring income. Okay, so this is the number two way: promote hosting and autoresponders that pay affiliates monthly commissions. And number three, promote an automated funnel that pay you 100% commissions. So you have a number of different done for you funnels or done for you businesses that you can pay up front, and all you have to do is just keep on sending traffic to a squeeze page, and then the person that you're sending will see weeks and weeks of promotions, of follow-ups, and whatever they buy at any point in time, you are getting paid 100% commission. So this is actually something that you're going to have to pay for upfront, but you can 10x, 20x, 50x your investment very easily, and it's 100% passive. All you have to do is just keep on sending people to the funnel. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of options here. One is 7-figure franchise, and this is actually something that I bought myself. If you are on my list, you probably saw me promoting this. If you're going to pay $2,000, this is a full pay, one priced option. So essentially you're paying $2,000. You are getting 100% commissions on all the products in the funnel. And these products are like unlimited. We have a $20 product, $27, $37, $97, and whoever buys the 7-figure franchise for $2,000, you're going to be paid 50% which means that you're gonna get $1,000 commissions, and I got many of these. So I invested $2,000. I think I already made like $30,000 back. So this is one idea of an automated funnel, and just keep in mind, all you have to do is just keep on sending the traffic to a squeeze page, and then the person that you sent is cookied, and whenever they will buy after that, the same day, a week later, a month later, 2 months later, you will still get the commission. So it's fully automated, and it's passive income. And another one that I want to show you is actually a automated funnel of mine that I just released. It's called Done for Your Freedom, and right now you can get in for just $1,000, and this is the same exact idea. All you have to do is just send traffic to a squeeze page. I will take care of all the selling, so I have 2 months plus follow-ups, and I have different offers for $13, $27, $37, $197, and $1,000, and you're being paid 100% commissions on everything. A part of the $1,000, on the $1,000 you're going to get paid 50%. So again, unlimited commissions. All you have to do is just focus on one little thing, sending traffic to the squeeze page, and everything is fully automated. It's passive income. And again, with this, I already did 97% of the work for you, and you just have to focus on one little thing, sending traffic. And you can even automate it, because if you're going to pay for traffic, it will be coming in automatically. You don't have to do any work whatsoever. Okay, so guys, these are my free passive income ideas for 2019 and beyond. So just to sum up, firstly, promote ClickBank offers with a recurring option, just as I showed you. Just find the right offer in the marketplace. Secondly, promote hosting or autoresponders that pay affiliates monthly commissions. So make sure if you're going to promote any hosting or an autoresponder, make sure that they actually pay you monthly and not just a one-time fee. And thirdly, promote an automated funnel that pay you 100% commissions. And I showed you a couple of examples, including myself. All the links obviously will be in the description of this video. And right now, let's just check out who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. Okay, so let me look up my previous video. Okay, so this is my last video, get paid to read emails in 2019. Just take a survey. I'm going to link to it somewhere here in the card, so you can check it out as well. A very cool method to get paid just to read emails. So let me just grab the URL and let me go to YouTube random comment picker. Let's paste it in, filter out the duplicates, and let's see how many people we have. How many commenters? 64 commenters, and right now let's just pick a random winner. Okay, we got James Burke. He left his email here, so let me just send $10 to him right now. Congratulations, James. Okay, so as you see, I just sent $10 to James. Again, congratulations. If you want to win $10, please like this video, comment on this video with your PayPal email, subscribe to this channel of mine, and also click on the bell for notifications. And also, again, please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my #1 recommended resource, and the #2 link will take you to my own resource that will make you $80 in 5 minutes in your first day. So check out the rest of the links as well. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, see ya.